Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I have a lot of new videos coming up. So today I'm coming to you with a hair tutorial on how I do my faux locks. And you will need a comb, a latch hook, a scrunchie, and of course the hair. This hair is from Beyond Beauty on Amazon. This hair was sent to me. I will have the link below. So I'm starting out with kind of like stretched hair. Yeah, my hair is growing so much. I'm so happy. So I'm going to start off by sectioning off a piece of hair and parting it. So the locks I'm using, they're kind of bigger than usual. So when I'm doing my parts, I'm going to make them slightly bigger. So now what you're going to do is just start braiding this section of hair. I don't braid it all the way down, but you can if you want. I only braid it down about 3 inches, just because I don't got time to be braiding all this hair. It just makes the process easier. Alright, so then you're going to take your latch hook, pull it through your hair, attach the lock onto that hook, and then close the hook and pull it through. And then you're going to take the end of the lock and attach it to the hook, close the hook, and bring it back through. I know it's moving fast and you really can't see, but I am going to slow it down and I'm going to zoom in later. So then, this part, you're going to take your latch hook again, put it through the lock hair, and then take a piece of your hair and bring it back through the hair. So at the end you will have a seamless look and you won't have any of your hair showing. So voila, there you go. So now I'm going to slow it down a little bit and zoom in. So yeah, you're just going to do the same process. Start braiding your hair down about 3 inches. Then take the hook through. Get that crochet hair and put it onto the hook. Close the latch. And then just bring the hair through. And then you're going to take the end of the lock and put it onto the hook. Close the latch. And just tighten it up. So that's the easy part. And then you're going to just loop the hair through the crochet, just like I showed you. I find this way to be not only the easiest, but just it looks the best because you don't really see any of your hair and you don't have to do all that work with wrapping and twisting, and if you do the crochet you don't have to cornrow your hair down. So yeah, I just find this way the best way. And you do see some of my hair showing a little bit, but I fixed all of that. I was just trying to get this done, girl. Like, this took me about 7 hours. And there you go. Alright y'all, so this is my finished look, and I did add on some jewelry and some accessories, and I'm going to show you how I did that. If you want to see, then keep watching. I love it, I love it. I think I did a pretty good job. So I have this string. I'm just going to wrap it around. It's pretty simple. And then at the end, I'm just going to tie it in a knot and then cut the excess off. So yeah, y'all, this is a pretty easy tutorial. I hope you guys liked it, and please stay tuned for my upcoming videos. I have a lot of things coming up. Like I said, I have a big surprise coming up in about 2 weeks, so stay tuned for that, and thank y'all so much for watching.